Luna and the Lost Cat. Luna is walking home from school. She sees a fluffy orange cat sitting on a doorstep. The cat looks lost and meows sadly. Luna feels sorry for the cat, so she walks closer. The cat rubs its head against her leg and purrs. Luna smiles and pets the cat. She looks around for a collar or tag, but she doesn't find any. She decides to take the cat home with her. She picks it up gently and carries it all the way home. When she arrives, her mom sees the cat. "Luna, where did you find this cat?" Luna tells her mom about finding the cat on the doorstep. Her mom agrees to help Luna find the cat's owner. They put up posters around the neighborhood with a picture of the cat. They also take the cat to the local animal shelter. Finally, after a few days, a woman comes to the shelter. She sees the cat and cries, "That's my kitty." The woman explains that her cat ran away a few days ago. She is so happy to see her cat again. She hugs Luna and thanks her for finding her pet. Luna smiles and gives the cat back to the woman. She feels happy that she could help reunite the cat with its owner.